Today's topic is about duties of a doctor that we will discuss in this video. So what duties do doctors have towards their patients? So doctors have many duties towards their patients. Their responsibility cover their own action as well as order they give to their assistants such as nurse, medical student and residents in relation to the diagnosis and treatment of the patient. Further, obligation to diagnose and treat patient. So main duties are as follow. In legal terms, doctors have an obligation of means towards the patients, not an obligation of result. This means that they have to take appropriate steps available to make the right diagnosis, provide treatment and follow up on their patient's progress. Doctor must base their action on up-to-date scientific information and use recognized treatment in the right way. They must treat their patient attentively and consciously. Further, in relation to the diagnosis and treatment of the patient, doctor must recognize their own limit. In case of doubt, they must get information from other people or refer patient to the specialist. The duty to treat patient include the duty to prescribe the right medication, tell patient about the advantage, disadvantage, risk and alternative regarding a proposed treatment or operation, provide adequate follow-up to the patient within a reasonable amount of time. For example, after a treatment, a doctor must provide the medical follow-up required by the patient's state of health, or at least make sure that a colleague or other professional follow up in relation to the treatment of the patient. The most important duty of doctor to provide information. Doctor must give their patient all the information they need to make free and informed decision. For example, doctor must tell the patient about the diagnosis as well as nature, goal and seriousness of the treatment and risk of the treatment and other treatment option if there is a available. Further, in relation to the provide information, these include answering patient's question. The doctor's duty is towards the patient themselves, the people who make decision on behalf of patient, or as well as parents of children who are under the age of 14. Doctor must explain the chances of success and the risk of failure of the suggested treatment, keeping in mind the patient's specific condition. These all are considered duty of the doctor to provide information. Doctor must also inform the patients about the possible negative effect of a treatment. However, it is impossible for a doctor to talk about all of the possible risks. Doctor must tell the patient about the foreseeable risk. In other words, the risks that are most likely to occur. Doctors must also tell patient about any rare risk they could have serious consequences. So these all are considered a part of duty to provide information. The extent of a duty to provide information depend on the circumstances and the patient in question. For some type of treatment, doctors are required to give more complete and specific information about the risk. For example, with purely experimental treatments as well as treatments that are not aimed at curing an illness or injury, like some type of a plastic surgery, so in that each and every information need to be provided. In these cases, doctor must tell patient about all possible and rare risk of the treatment. So these all are considered the important duties of a doctor.